Hello everyone, this is my first video tutorial in Moodle. So here is our task. Let's go to week number 1 and choose the recording from the editor video tutorial and just add a new discussion topic. So I'll choose my first book. So here first video tutorial. So if we want to record our voice, let's do it. Start recording. Hello everyone, my name is Elena Vinokurova, and I would like to show you how you can add the audio in your Moodle. Stop recording, let's listen to it.
Hello everyone, my name is Elena Vinokurova, and I would like to show you how
touch recording. Also, I would like to add maybe some picture. Oh, here with a smile. This one. And that's it. Then we press pause to the form. And we are done. Thank you for watching.